You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall.
When using essential oils for hair growth, it is important to use them properly to ensure their effectiveness and safety. Here are some tips on how to properly use essential oils for hair growth. Choose the right essential oil. There are several essential oils that are believed to promote healthy hair growth. Choose an essential oil that is suitable for your hair type and scalp condition. Choose a carrier oil that is suitable for your hair type. Carrier oils such as coconut, jojoba, and argan oil are good options for most hair types. However, if you have oily hair, you may want to choose a lighter oil such as grapeseed or almond oil. Dilute the essential oil. Essential oils are highly concentrated and should always be diluted with a carrier oil before applying to the scalp. Use a ratio of 1 to 2 drops of essential oil per tablespoon of carrier oil such as jojoba oil or coconut oil. Perform a patch test. Before using any essential oil for the first time, it is important to perform a patch test to check for any allergic reactions or sensitivity. Apply a small amount of the diluted oil to the inside of your elbow and wait for 24 hours to see if there is any reaction. Apply the oil to the scalp. After diluting the essential oil with a carrier oil, apply the mixture to the scalp using gentle circular motions. You can also use a dropper or a spray bottle to apply the oil to the scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes. To allow the essential oil to penetrate the scalp and hair follicles, leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing your hair. Wash your hair. After leaving the oil on for recommended time, wash your hair as usual with a mild shampoo. Massage to stimulate blood flow. When applying the essential oil mixture, gently massage your scalp in a circular motion. This will help stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Combined with other hair growth remedies, essential oils can be used in combination with other natural remedies for hair growth, such as castor oil, aloe vera oil, and onion juice. Combining these remedies can help maximize the benefits and promote healthy hair growth. Use it regularly. To see the best results, use the essential oil treatment once or twice a week, depending on your hair type and scalp condition. Don't overdo it. While essential oils can be beneficial for hair growth, it is important not to overuse them. Using too much essential oil or using it too frequently can cause irritation or damage to the scalp and hair. Be patient. It takes time to see results when using natural remedies for hair growth, including essential oils. It may take several weeks or even months of regular use before you notice a significant difference in the health and growth of your hair. To get the most out of using essential oils for hair growth, you should choose a carrier oil that suits your hair type, massage your scalp, avoid overusing essential oils, combined with other natural remedies, and be patient in seeing results.